Good morning. Welcome back. I hope you had a good break. We have finals next week. This week we are just doing a review. There are 4 steps to our learning path this week. First one is the planner. The second one, third one, and fourth one are all Nearpod reviews. I'm going to show you. So if you click on this, you'll get start. It'll say start, and you go to the weekly plan. The weekly planner looks like this. 204, 304, and 404 are part 1, part 2, and part 3 of the reviews. Final exams next week. You'll have an entire week to do it. So it'll open up at 8:30 on Monday morning, the 11th, and it'll close at 4 p.m. on the 15th. If you have a plan that says you get more than 75 minutes, you get more than 75 minutes. The reviews look like this. If you can't find them, the planner has the link and the code to get into. So I'm going to go ahead and get into one. Here's one right here. This is the first one. I'm going to log in with Google, choose my account. Yes, continue, and here you go. So this is it. First one is pretty straightforward. You're going to circle 10 unsafe lab behaviors. All right, so you're not allowed to eat or drink in lab, so I'm just going to make this red. You can't eat or drink in lab, so I guess I didn't make it red, did I? So they're obviously getting sick eating in lab. You don't want scissors in the socket, so find 10 of them and submit it. This is our page 2 in our notebook is lab safety rules. Pick your top 2 lab safety rules. So eating and drinking and behave responsibly, for example. I really don't care which 2 you pick, but I do need you to pick 2. Here are things I need you to do on the for density. So density is mass divided by volume. So what I need you to do is I need you to underline the questions. So this one says find the density. This one says find the volume. I have added text here, so I'm going to say the formula that we need to use is density equals mass divided by volume. This right here says volume, so that's V. This right here says mass, so that's M. So I'm going to go back to my, so D equals mass is 54 grams divided by volume, which is 20 centimeters cubed. I don't care if you do the uppercase, lowercase, the subscript, superscript. 54 divided by 20 is something like 2.7. $54 divided by 20 is exactly 2.7. So D equals 2.7. Grams are on top, they stay on top. Centimeters cubed are on the bottom, they stay on the bottom. That's kind of what I need you to do. I did it here. You're going to have to add a text box, and I've added a text box. Let me submit. These are elements, compounds, mixtures. Elements are D, compounds C, mixture compounds. So all one color is an element. If it's two colors that are attached together, that's a compound. If there's an element and a compound together, that's a mixture of compounds and elements. And that's an element, that's an element, that's just a mixture. Oops. That's just a mixture of elements. Right. I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing. I'll pick up here in a second. So I'll see you in a minute.